Obstacles are those which we see when we take our eyes off the goal. I repeat, obstacles are those which we see when we take our eyes off the goal. Did you get any head and tail of the statement? এতে বলে বাধা সেইগুলোই যেগুলো আমরা দেখতে পাই যখন লক্ষ্য থেকে আমাদের দৃষ্টি সরে যায়। তার বাধা থাকছে কিন্তু আমাদের কাছে সেইটা গ্রাহ্য নয় যত সময় পর্যন্ত আমাদের গোলের উপরে আমাদের দৃষ্টি যুক্ত থাকে। আমরা যত সময় পর্যন্ত দৃঢ় প্রতিজ্ঞ তত সময় পর্যন্ত কোনো বাধা মনে হয় না। Guys, obstacles can be seen only when our confidence in the goal has been shaken. When we doubt ourselves, can I reach there? Then only you will see obstacles. If you lose self-confidence, আত্মবিশ্বাস যদি হারাও তাহলে তুমি দেখতে পাবে তোমার সামনে অনেক বাধা। Obstacles are there, always there, will be there. There will be no world without these obstacles. So never ever expect the world without obstacles. কোনো দিনও হয়নি, কোনো দিনও হবেও না ভবিষ্যতে। বাধা ছাড়া এই বিশ্ব, বাধা থাকবেই। কিন্তু যদি তোমার দৃষ্টিপথে তোমার গোলটা থাকে অনড়, if you set your eyes firmly on your goal, these obstacles will dissolve. Welcome to our new class today, a new session where we are going to discuss about the role of obstacles in life. I am at Sansard, not a professional motivator. I am a teacher. I guide my students with grammar, with composition, with vocabulary. But my students love me speak sometimes about motivation. So I often talk with them. And today I am going to share with you this piece of experience of mine. Well, to go back to the subject of obstacles, once when I was a student of class 8, একবার আমরা সবাই মিলে কোনো এক মাসে, আগস্ট মাসে, নদীতে তখন বন্যা ডেকেছে, এপাশ ওপাশ জল, ইট ওয়াজ ইন ফুল স্পেড। আমরা 5-6 জন মিলে নৌকোতে উঠলাম, অ্যান্ড দ্য বোট ওয়াজ ফুল টু দ্য ব্রিম। আমরা ডিসাইড করলাম ঠিক নৌকা যখন নদীর মাঝ বরাবর হবে তখন নৌকো থেকে আমরা লাফ দেব আর সাঁতরে এই পাশে এসে উঠব। So 5 of us, we had been in the boat. The boat is in the midstream and we all started to get up. 1, 2 and 3, and I jumped off the boat. But I looked back, none of the other 4 members, they didn't. They were scared of the river, scared of the mighty current. I was in the stream. আর নৌকোতে ফিরে আসার কোনো চান্স নেই। I had before me the mighty current of the river that was in sped, and the huge obstacle there before me. On one side before me was death, and on the other side there was the chance of survival. And I swam. I did not get scared. I swam and swam and swam, and ultimately I came to the shore on the other side. যখন আমি মাঝ নদীতে ঝাঁপ দিলাম তখন কি ওই বাধাটা আমার সামনে মনে হচ্ছিল যে এতটা নদী বাকি আছে, অর্ধেকেরও বেশি, আমি সাঁতার কেটে ওপাশে পৌঁছাতে পারবো কি? ওই মুহূর্তে মাথায় আসেনি। ওই মুহূর্তে একটাই টার্গেট, that I have to swim all the way to the bank of the river. And with this zeal in mind, with this target goal in mind, I swam and ultimately I succeeded. It was just a simple example. Think yourself. All of you have goal before you. Some of you might be thinking about scoring in the medical, getting a job, or any sort of thing. Goal is there. But never get scared of the obstacles before you. When the goal is there, think about a road map, একটা ব্লুপ্রিন্ট তৈরি করে ফেলো। ওই গোলে পৌঁছাতে তোমার কি কি জিনিস লাগবে আগে মাথায় ছক কেটে নাও। দ্য গোল ইজ দ্য আলটিমেট টার্গেট। ওই গোলে পৌঁছানোর আগে এবং বর্তমান এই মাঝের ডিস্টেন্সটা ছোট ছোট সময়ে ভাগ করে নাও। সেট এ গোল ফর ইচ ডে, ইচ আওয়ার, and try to complete the assignment within that period. Here no one is giving you any assignment. You yourself are the task master. তুমি নিজেকেই টাস্ক দেবে, নিজেই টাস্ক কমপ্লিট করবে। বিট বাই বিট ইউ অ্যাডভান্স টুয়ার্ডস ইয়োর গোল। একটু একটু করে তোমার গোলের দিকে এগিয়ে যাও। ওই সোনার হরিণটার দিকে একটু একটু এগিয়ে যাবে। দিনে তোমার বাকি এন্টারটেনমেন্ট থাকবে, আদার অ্যাক্টিভিটিস থাকবে, এগুলো সবগুলোই থাকবে, কিন্তু তোমার প্রায়োরিটি থাকবে তোমার গোলের উপরে। ইউ ক্যানট কনফাইন ইউর সেলফ উইদিন দ্য রুম রাউন্ড দ্য ক্লক। ইফ ইউ ডু সো, দ্য টাস্ক উইল বি ট্রিমেন্ডাসলি টাফ। ইউ উইল ফিল বোর্ড and once you will just give up. So never ever do it. Give a small period of entertainment to yourself. And like that boy in the movie 3 Idiots, after each assignment, completion of each assignment, just praise yourself. All is well, all is well. Then you will do. Obstacles, you are not alone facing in the world. তুমি একাই বাধার সম্মুখীন হচ্ছ না, তোমার সঙ্গী সাথী বন্ধু বান্ধব অনেকেই আছে যারা বাধার মুখোমুখি হওয়ার সঙ্গে সঙ্গে ভয়ে সিঁটিয়ে যাবে। and they will be so much terrified that they will not try, and they will just blame their luck or fate for that. No luck, no fate is responsible for your own goal, for your own fate. It is you who is responsible. Only you can make or break yourself. Only you can take yourself to the peak of your goal. No one else. Think of the scientist. In his boyhood days, he would not get enough food. Sometimes with single meal, he would have to continue the day. Many of his days he spent without food. But he never complained of that. Sometimes he felt the pang of hunger too much. কখনো কখনো খিদার জ্বালা খুব বেশি মনে হতো। But at that time too he didn't complain. He just started calculating some, doing some, working out some. And later on he confessed that অঙ্ক করে তার খিদাতে বুড়ে যেত. Now he became one of the prominent scientists of the world. Think of APJ Abdul Kalam. And whatever his father told him in his boyhood days, when he was quite a young boy, once his father told him, obstacles offer opportunities for introspection. বাধাগুলো, অবস্টাকলসগুলো আমাদের সামনে আসে যাতে আমরা আত্মবিশ্লেষণ করতে পারি। When obstacles come, You don't think about the obstacles that they are unnecessary. Rather, they are necessary. These obstacles will enable you to think about your strengths, to think about your weakness, how you can convert your weakness into strength. তোমার দুর্বলতাকে কিভাবে তুমি শক্তিতে রূপান্তরিত করবে। And it will also show you that by being gifted with the strength that is within you, you can overcome the obstacles. যদি ওটা করতে না পারো তাহলে তোমার মধ্যে তৈরি হবে ভয়, and that fear will give birth to your enemy, and the enemy will collapse you, will paralyze you, and will make you an ordinary boy. Do you want to be an ordinary boy? Do you want to be an ordinary guy? Of course no. I never wanted to be an ordinary guy. And if you want to achieve something, just you write a simple word before ordinary. That is extra. You have to take extra load to write the word extra before ordinary, then only you can become extraordinary. So nowadays, never ever complain that there are questions which are hard, there are obstacles, that there is no teacher, that there is no book. All these are only excuses. If you put aside the excuses, you will find the opportunities. Let me tell you a guy, Sadananda, of poor background. His parents could not afford him the food, daily food. So the teachers kept him in a school hostel. And he came out successful, brilliantly successful in Madhyamik. And in HS, he was enrolled in Kumud Kumari. And he passed out with flying color. And thereafter, he got admitted in Kharagpur IIT. Now you see, the rest is history. Or of that boy who aspired to get admitted into an IIT. But he had to earn money to feed himself and to feed his ailing parents. He worked in the field, the job of a laborer. Back home, dog tired, but he didn't take rest. The little time which he had, he studied with deep concentration, and ultimately he cracked for IIT. So guys, you see, obstacles are there. They may offer you opportunity. They are there to offer you opportunity. Grab them to be opportunity. Use them at your advantage. And ultimately, it is you who can do it. You who can win over your obstacles. You can defeat your obstacles. And ultimately, you are the winner. You say yourself, I can win. This much guys today. Thank you for listening me, supporting me, and again I thank you for your support to grow my channel.